Did you know that there's a YouTube video titled Biggest Zit on Planet Earth? It has 42 million views. When you click play, all it is a screenshot. It's this simple image. It has 10,000 dislikes. And frankly, I can't tell you if it's real or fake. In contrast, I'm going to show you a sebaceous cyst removal by Dr. John Gilmore, and it's pretty amazing to watch. But first, leave a comment below. Do you believe that this clip is real or fake? I think it's fake because the hairline looks altered. Go ahead and comment below. Alright folks, let's watch Dr. John Gilmore remove a real sebaceous cyst. Enjoy!
Even nicer when you get it out in one.
Yeah, the whole thing comes out in one end block, so to speak. We'll try not to break that open. Boy, that would be great. This could almost be a souvenir, you know. Feel like going to a baseball game, getting a foul ball, you know.
That looks like it.
It kind of does.
I'd rather you not, because that's X-File stuff right there.
Yeah, no. We're not going to do anything like that. We're just kind of talking quietly amongst ourselves here about things that we find fascinating. When you deal with the same old things kind of every day, and you see something really interesting like what you've got here, well, we just celebrate the moment. You feeling any pain?
Nope.
Man, you're doing fantastic. I think this is about to come on out. It does.
Sometimes when they break open.
This one's got some odor to it. But it's, well, hopefully it's not gonna, I don't want to squeeze too hard on it, so I'm trying to grab it from the edge so that it doesn't break open.
That's so crazy.
I know. There we go. I got a good grip on it now. He said just as it fell off. All right, Gonzo, behave.
I'm not doing nothing.
You, sir, just gave birth to a beautiful sebaceous cyst. Look at that. Ooh. That's just marvelous. That's a thing of beauty.
That's so crazy.
Okay. Come back. We're going to make sure you don't have anything else in there. And you do not. That's all nice and clean. So we're going to throw a few stitches in here and you're going to be done, okay?
All right.